Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Yukon Gold potatoes, how to prepare them, and what you can do with them, how they can possibly be used, okay? When you're ready to use your Yukon Gold potatoes, just give them a good scrub under some cold running water or just in a big bowl of water. You want to take a paring knife and remove any blemishes that might be on there. It is your choice on whether or not to peel the potatoes. It's advisable to eat the peels along with them because there's a lot of good nourishment associated with the peel, but you don't have to do that, so it's really your choice. Once you cut them, you want to use them right away to prevent them from turning dark. Now, if you've got to hold them for a little bit, you can put them in a bowl of cold water, and that will help to keep them from turning brown. You could also add a little bit of vinegar or lemon juice to that water, and that will further help to keep them from turning brown. But you don't want to leave them in that water for any more than 2 hours maximum, really, or they're going to be soaking that up and it's going to make them on the soggy side. So you don't want to leave them in the water for an extended period of time. When you go to use them, they're strong enough to be used for a Hasselback type of potato recipe. They can be used in mashed potatoes. They're creamy enough that you can have a crispy roasted potato with them. They can basically be used in any recipe that calls for red potatoes, but not vice versa. Red potatoes are a little more persnickety than that. But they can be mashed, used in soups and stews, casseroles, chowders. They can be roasted, grilled, fried, sauteed, steamed, boiled, microwaved, and baked. So basically, any way you want to use a Yukon Gold, you can, and you get that wonderful benefit of that beautiful yellow gold color and that buttery flavor to it as well. So enjoy some now and then. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.